Check out this tablecloth. Isn't it cool? And doesn't it remind you of a paint swipe? Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. What I'm going to do today is I am going to attempt to do a paint swipe that will go with that tablecloth that I just showed you. All the colors that I'm using today are more than one color mixed together, except for the red. So like there's two different blues, there's different oranges. To get that brownish color that I have, I used a green and some other stuff. So I'm not going to list them just because of that. But I did mix them all with Floetrol and a little bit of water. I'm using this to swipe. It's actually a tool from the baking department, and I think they use it to thin out the frosting or to even up the frosting. So I did it last night, worked out pretty good, so I'm going to use it again today. And here's the color I'm going to use for the black in my swipe. I always buy the big bottles of the Artist Loft in the black or in the white because those would be the colors that I use most often for my base. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that in the swipe today. And I'm just going to look up that picture of the tablecloth again real quick so I can figure out what order I want to lay the paints down in, and we're going to get going. Okay, so down here at the bottom, I didn't feel like I covered it really well. So, of course, I start messing with it and playing with it. So, I think it's going to look fine when it dries, but I like it to be fluid and just all, flow down in one swipe. But that wasn't what happened here, so I did mess with it a little bit, and well, I'll just let you see what I did here. Okay, so we're going in for the close-up now, and I love to see how the cells look, and a lot of black around the cells. In some places I noticed some different colors. I noticed the brown forming around the cells. Instead of the black, there's a little bit of blue going around the cells there. I always like looking at that and the difference, and I love it when I see different colors in the cells and how it kind of shifts a little bit. So I did stretch it a little bit. But yeah, overall I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and look for my neon one if you're interested in seeing how one of those turn out. Have a good day, guys. Peace.